Hey Dennis, it's Viola. How you doing? I wanted to quickly go through your website here and just go through a couple of your competitors and talk about a couple of things I can help you with. So for starters, I love how clean your website is. It's very straight to the point, and I love that you have this phone number that's clickable here because 99% of the people that land on your site will be using their mobile phone. So it's important to make it easy for them to reach out to someone, especially considering the hard work's already done, right? Okay, we got some links there. Do these, all right, these all link out to your other pages. Very good. Excellent. Okay, additional services and pictures. And that's about it. Okay, so Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage, and that's for two reasons. The first reason is because Google has crawlers, and they're crawling the site because they're trying to figure out exactly what areas do you serve and what services do you offer. So, for example, if you had here on the first page a bunch of times Atlanta air duct cleaning or Atlanta water damage restoration, Google's going to be willing to put you higher up in the search results so that more people will be able to find you, especially if you put it here on the H1, which is the main keyword in the header of your website. So if it said here somehow Atlanta air duct cleaning or Atlanta water restoration company, when somebody's looking for that in Google, they're going to be willing to put you higher up and you're going to be able to outrank your competitors. So here's what I mean by that. When somebody does go to Google and they type in water damage restoration Atlanta, the first thing we see are the Google guaranteed ads, and then we see the Google paid ads. But then there's a section right here, which is always next to the map or under the map, and we call it the map pack. Now, in order to rank in this section, because these top three businesses are getting the bulk of the business, in order to rank here, we just got to find out exactly how many citations does the top company have. So, and all a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories across the World Wide Web. So, if ServPro of North America, of North Atlanta Buckhead has 300 citations, for example, then you want to get at least 400 so you guys know you're outranking them every single month after month after month. Because if we click here, we're going to find about 10 other pages of businesses that are doing the same exact things that you guys are doing, Dennis, but nobody goes past page one for anything, right? And then you have this section down here. I don't really care about Angie, but I noticed this company right here is ranking in the #1 spot. So I went ahead and pulled this page up, and it looks like United Water Restoration Group. This particular page is ranking for it. Notice they have immediately Atlanta's #1 fire and mold damage restoration experts. So it's no confusion as to exactly what we're doing and what page I landed on, even though I'm pretty sure they do a slew of other stuff as well too, as you can see here. Okay, but let's take a look at the content because that's what I want to see if you guys have more content than them or if you need to add more based on what they have. All right. Okay, it doesn't look like they have a ton more content. You guys will probably get away with adding like just 1,000 more words, maybe even 750, and you'll be able to outrank them with content all day. But let's take a look at this tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it just lets me see the back end of a website because there's more that goes into ranking a site than just the content on it. So I put that, actually, this is your business. I'm going to get to you in a second. Let's go here. UnitedWaterRestoration.com. This is that website. First thing you see essentially is a DR, and that's a power flow from Google. Then you see the UR, that's a trust flow. Both of these numbers are increased by something called a backlink. And all a backlink simply is where you have another website that has a clickable link on it. And when somebody clicks on that link from that site, it transfers over power and trust over to your site when they land on your site. So obviously this is something that's clickable, and I could go in here and see what's working for them and how it could work for you. But I really want to get in front of these keywords and see what's going on. So water restoration Atlanta, this is telling us that 100 people look for this keyword on a monthly basis. This company is in the #3 position, and they get 20 website visits just from this one keyword. Then you have water damage Atlanta, 250 people look for this keyword per month. They're in the #6 position, and an additional 19 visits come from this one keyword. And the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Cumulatively, this web page, just this page, is pulling in 204 web page visits per month. So the strategy to do this is for you to have these same keywords specifically located on your homepage if this is your #1 service that you want to highlight, which I figured it was because it's up here. So that way you guys can outrank them every single month when it comes to that. See, Atlanta restoration experts, I didn't see that as one of the top keywords. But I can guarantee you, if you take one of these keywords and you plug that in there and then you add a bunch of content surrounding that keyword, supporting that keyword, you're going to see a huge difference. Okay. Other than that, like I promised, I want to show you your business in the same exact tool. Same thing. It looks like you guys had some type of work done because you are being found for 62 keywords, but you're only getting nine visits per month from the website, and two of those visits are probably from the person that's working on the site. So and this is nothing to laugh at, nothing to scoff at. This is very typical for a company that hasn't really been marketed well by a marketing company. But if you guys want to implement this yourself, you sure can. Like I said, you just need to do those three things, Dennis. You need to just go ahead and get some more keywords into this content that you're going to add to the website. So number one, get some more content. Number two, get some more keywords. And number three, get some more quality backlinks to power up those keywords so you guys can start seeing more people visit your website and get more calls and land more customers on that. And lastly, these pictures that you have here, like I said earlier, they're Google robots that are reading the website, not necessarily humans. So it's important you save these keywords or you save these pictures as keywords that you're trying to be found for. So cleaning and restoration services is pretty broad. I would save this as one of those keywords that we just mentioned: water restoration Atlanta, or Atlanta water restoration specialist, things that people are already looking for, because you're going to be able to populate for those keywords as well too. All right, that's all that I have for you. I hope you found this helpful, Dennis. Thanks for taking the time out to watch it. And if you want to partner, feel free to reach out. All my information should be in the email. You have a great day. Take care.